I'm going to take you through a few techniques that I use when I'm working commercially, specifically to differentiate yourself in a market that is very, very competitive. I think you can distinguish yourself in your style and obviously in your images by using artificial light. Just throw, oh, look at this. That's brilliant. There we go. I'm just bringing her across a little bit more just to have a little bit more contrast. The light was too frontal for me, so I'm going a little bit more side lighting. You set everything up, you lift your camera, bang, and you're right on first shot, so that the client looks at you and goes, wow, this guy knows what he's doing. The technology has evolved so much lately that now we can shoot on high sync or hyper sync or even HSS, which is high speed sync. Usually when you're talking about off-camera flash, you're talking about shooting outdoors where you are either complementing ambient light or you are overpowering ambient light. Here we go. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Stunning.